Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make deviled eggs Southern style. First, let's get those eggs perfectly hard-boiled. Place 6 to 8 large eggs in a pot and cover them with about 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then immediately turn off the heat, cover the pot, and let them sit for 12 minutes. Afterward, transfer them to an ice bath for 5 minutes to cool completely. Now for the delicious filling. Carefully have your cooled, peeled eggs lengthwise and scoop the bright yellow yolks into a small bowl. Mash these yolks thoroughly with a fork until they are smooth and crumbly. Then, add 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a tiny pinch of sugar for that classic Southern taste. It's time to assemble these beauties. Spoon your creamy yolk mixture into a piping bag fitted with a star tip. If you don't have a piping bag, a small spoon works just as well. Carefully pipe or spoon the filling back into the hollowed egg white halves, creating a lovely mound. For that signature Southern touch, sprinkle each deviled egg with a dash of paprika. A small sprig of fresh parsley or a tiny pickle slice also makes a wonderful garnish. To ensure your deviled eggs are absolutely perfect, chill them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. For a little extra tang, consider adding 1/2 teaspoon of sweet pickle relish to your filling mixture. Remember, fresh, good quality ingredients make all the difference. Enjoy your delicious, homemade Southern-style deviled eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.